My name is Ian Price. I'm author of Head Start and I'm a business psychologist. Chapter 2 is on how to manage our emotional negativity. Working with a firm of management consultants, Michael had a particular issue with this. He was a senior consultant, was hoping to make partner, but was told to make the grade he really needed to sell more. He was beset with negative beliefs along the lines of, I'm not cut out for selling. Selling is an ugly business. I'm always too busy to sell. When we sat down and worked with him on this, it turned out that there was no real basis for any of these beliefs. This is an example of the sort of negative emotional chatter that our brain is actually wired for. It's quite natural for the brain to do this. So this chapter helps us, first of all, understand the way the brain is wired. And it helps you develop a sense of awareness that some of this negativity will creep in from time to time. The second thing it will help you do is put a little bit of distance between you and some of this negativity.